Good evening and welcome to Reality Check with me, Sanket Upadhyay. We're going to discuss two important issues today. Issue number one, Bollywood versus two news channels. This matter has now gone to the Delhi High Court. 34 production houses, if you recall, had moved the Delhi High Court and 4 unions against two channels, Times Now as well as Republic TV. The question that we are asking is that can this episode bring in or usher in the era of responsible journalism? We all know the context. You will see that soon, very soon on your screen. Let's kickstart the discussion straight away. I have with me actor and advocate Kanika Sadanan. I also have Mr. Akashdeep Sabir. He's an actor, producer and a director. And Swapnil Kothari, senior lawyer of the Supreme Court. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on this very, very crucial discussion. Mr. Kothari, let's begin with you first. 34 production houses, 4 unions moving court against 2 channels. The judge himself observing today that this is more opinion on these channels and less news. In fact, there are fire flames emerging from the screen. These are all observations of the judge. Do you think that the more there is, see, you are also smiling. You perhaps you recognize the problem, Mr. Kothari. But, you know, the point is, do you think that...
I hope he does.
Do you think that this entire episode, this and a number of other cases, could usher in an era of responsible journalism? Finally, Mr. Kothari.
Good evening, Sanket. You see, Akashdeep is my friend, so there is very little that I can tell him on the show. Off the show, maybe I'll tell him, I'll give him a call later and tell him something, but that's fine. Now, as far as the observations of the Delhi High Court are concerned, I was smiling at the word fire flames. That's a new word for me.
No, but
so
he said this. The judge observed
No,
this.
no, I'm sure he said. Of course he said. I'm just saying that the word is fire flame, so that's fine with me. I don't have a problem with that. Those are the judge's observations, and there's no problem at all with that. And so let me put 2 views on this. The first is I will, as a lawyer, I will talk about Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution, which is freedom of speech, in which is embedded the freedom of press and, of course, freedom of media. Now, of course, as they say in law, that no freedom is absolute. Your, right to swing a cane stops where my nose begins. So, in as much as, it's being said, I'm fully in agreement with the judge to a certain extent that, yes, you need to give more news, less of opinion.
Sure.
But on one aspect, I would say that opinions are very important today, Sanket, given the era that we are in. We need to present our opinions. Now, to what extent, if you remember, one of the council of the news, let me finish, Sanket, then you can tell me. I don't like to be interrupted by my chain of thought. So what I'm trying to say is, because I've, thought about this quite a bit, much before this even went to the Delhi High Court. So, as Times Now's counsel pointed it out, that what is defamatory? How do you define defamation? Now, that is where I would caution both the channels, in fact. I have already done so in my own ways, that to a certain extent, you please profess your opinions. Now, I'll tell you on one of the other channels, not these two, but on a totally different channel, I do not wish to name it. Somebody told me, Mr. Kothari, an anchor told me that I would prefer if you are more of a lawyer than an astrologer. So, it was said in a very curt tone. So that's okay. That's fine. That's said in a frame. It's said in a breath. We are all very active at that time, participating in the debate. Sure. That's fine. But I completely agree with one aspect, that no curse words, no epithets. I have never liked the use of any epithets. And, all my co-panelists will, whoever have been there with me on the channels, will always say that Swapnil never uses any epithets.
No, you don't.
Give a point.
You don't, which is exactly the reason
why
we invite...
I don't like to use epithets. I disagree with that completely.
Which is why we like inviting you on NDTV, because you don't do that. Thank you so much for that. Kanika Sadanan.
About the anchors.
Ms. Sadanan.
That's why I'm saying that do not use.
I
agree with you,
Short duration discussion. Right. Let me quickly get in the views
the anchors not to use
of the other panelists as well. Kanika Sadanan and then Akashdeep.
Sure.
Yes. So I'm very glad that finally the judge has actually what they call belled the cat, because the media, some of the channels, and definitely not yours, and there are 1 or 2 other respectable channels, but some of them had just run riot completely. The last 4-5 months, it was almost like they were creating entertainment for the country, and people were sitting at home and they were bored and they were scared and they were insecure, and so they were, just gulping up all this information and this entertainment, not information. With regards to Bollywood, we are an industry where we really function largely on perception, on relationship, direct relationship with our, the customer, as they call it. For us, is the viewer. And our reputations, our connect, our influence is a very, very big factor in our business. And if you destroy this factor, you are actually taking away my livelihood.
Correct.
Because I am not a washing machine. I cannot go and put a label on myself and put myself on a counter somewhere. I need to have, there's a perception about me. I need to have a glamour image, or I need to have some kind of image which people look up to or they look down to, but they have to have a connect. You are destroying my connect. And most important, forget about flames. There were people who were doing such horrible titling of their packages, the packaging which was they were putting across before the actual debates were starting. They were showing pictures of people in bikinis, which was not necessary. They were talking about nepotism. They tried to destroy the secular fabric of the film industry, which is the only institution right now which is actually secular. And most important, the journalists had no respect for the institution. No court, no respect for court, no respect for any kind of investigation. Everything was like they were the judge,
So
jury,
you feel that
everybody.
somebody had to bell the cat, and to that extent, this hearing or these proceedings are going to help. Akashdeep Sabir, this is a short duration discussion, so now your opinion.
Yeah, I really feel that the circus should have ended before the High Court wrapped their knuckles. Because I cried hoarse on a lot of channels that went loud and was screaming about giving Bollywood the choicest abuses and even fine-tuning it to certain actors, who was the big boss, X, Y, Z. People who had no connection with Sushant Singh Rajput were being dragged in, and the entire industry was being humiliated. And I would really think that there should have been some kind of self-censorship. I mean, expressing your opinion, taking a side. Investigative journalism also, I will concede, in today's day and age, like my friend Swapnil said, that today's journalism is not going to be the 70s and 80s Doordarshan reportage. Okay, fine, it's more aggressive. Y'all are going into more detail. Y'all send crews to people's houses. But there has
I don't think that was ever the problem.
Drawn. The line has to be drawn, and that line was breached. I agree with you.
Look at the responsibility.
No one has a problem with opinion.
No, but opinion without information, it is just to create
Absolutely,
sensation.
you've got to be responsible about
wrong.
your opinion. Akashdeep
Opinion just to create
is entitled to
sensation
your
without
opinion, but you
information
can't use words
can
like
cause
filth,
harm to
scum,
my
druggies without proof.
Yeah, Nashide, druggies. Not only that, on
Malki,
the panel, we were also
Malki,
called
Maharani.
Nashide and druggies because we were supporting them.
Okay.
It didn't stop. The circus didn't stop. And what happened eventually? Where is the Sushant Singh Rajput murder that triggered off this madness in the media? Where is that case today?
No, it's still under investigation, so we're not going to comment on that. But
yeah, but you know what hype? There was 9 p.m. was meant to be a Sushant Singh slot, as if India had no other work. I call
again,
that sensationalism.
that's a point of opinion. What will
But that's
interest the
what
viewer?
do that.
My point is, all of this could have been done decently within the broad parameters of decency. So long as that happened. Yeah.
Sorry, you go ahead.
Yeah, no, so I've run out of time. This was a short duration discussion. So,
I
Mr.
just want to
Kothari.
say, look at the American media, the way they've been responsible even in today's day and age.
No, I mean, American media has its
No,
own
but
set
I
of
do
problems.
not like
but
the way
we'll
Bollywood
leave
was
this.
insulted.
We'll leave this to. We'll leave to discuss. The American media is deeply divided along political lines. So that is the problem with the American media. But thank you so much to the three of you for joining us on this discussion number 1.